All right, everybody, let's go ahead and get started with validation. First, we'll go ahead and start the box. We'll annotate the IP address of the R host there. And I'm just going to open up a terminal like I have here. Input my information. I can show you how to do it real quick, but you would do the same thing. So we'll just start off with a new terminal. So go ahead and create a folder called validation, right click, open terminal from here. Afterwards, you can go ahead and do if config ton 0. All right, that's going to give you your hacked box IP address for your host. We'll go ahead and come here and open a new tab, go back to this tab, rename the session outhost, followed by our outhost IP address. Come over here and then put in the rhost, which is the hacked box IP address. All right, great. That should be the same for both of us. I like color coding mine. It's optional for you. I like to put mine as blue, and then the other one is red. So it helps me quickly identify the target. All right, next we're going to go ahead and start off with a RUSSCAN. So RUSSCAN is much quicker than Nmap. It's superior to Nmap. So we'll go ahead and then start it, and I'll just show you how quick it is. Wow, it's identified the ports, actually all of them, within about a second. It's very quick. So now we'll go ahead and open up our browser, and we'll see that we have this website here. All right, with any website, we'll go ahead and start up burp and try to intercept a request, see what's going on here in the back end, and understand some logic. So go ahead and grab that IP address there, start burp, and burp's taking a second to open up. I don't know if I already had it open. No, I didn't. All right, go to proxy, open in browser. That'll open up our burp browser. Go ahead and make sure intercept's on. Come over here, drop in the, oh, that was not what I wanted. Come back over here. All right, come back over here. All right, drop that in there. Bam. Come over here, forward, forward, and we should have the website here. We'll go ahead and type in test and join now. All right, we can see that we received this and we have a user field and we have a country field. This country field is susceptible to a SQL injection. So I'm going to forward that, go to my HTTP here, come here, and we got that post request that was sent. We'll go ahead and send it to repeater. And once it's that repeater, we'll go ahead and note what's going on here. So this field here is susceptible to a SQL injection. What we're going to try doing here is inputting this command right here. Let me zoom in. So this will say Brazil, select union, PHP system, and we're uploading a web shell into the file, and this is the file location. All right. Then this is gonna go ahead and comment out everything after it. All right. So essentially, this is closing what was there, adding the union statement to it. Union statements, uploading a web shell, and we're saying, hey, upload that web shell to this directory, call it shell.php, and then comment everything after it. That's what's happening there. All right, we'll go ahead and take this, come over here, and just delete that. Dot, 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 dot. There we go. All right, send it. And we got 302 not found. Now, what I like to do after that is come here, right click, and we want to request in browser in original session. Gives us a link, copy that link, come over here, and we drop that link in there. All right, proxy is going to ask us to forward it. Sure, forward that, forward it. And you can see it's forwarded that. Looks like it's throwing an error, but we're going to go ahead and do a curl request and just verify that that worked. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my uh, terminal. I have two terminals, so we'll just pretend that one's not there behind it because that was my original one. Come over here, drop in the curl request, send it, and you can see it's getting us that web shell we needed. It's saying that we're www data, so that's the default user for web servers. All right, great. Now we'll send another curl request, except this time we are saying, hey, we want you to go ahead and start um, go ahead and initiate the shell at PHP and send a query to that command within that shell to start a reverse shell to our IP address. That's going to be our host there, so make sure that changes. But come over here, and for those who would like these commands, they're going to be in description. That's where I usually put my commands. Or actually in the comment section. So the description has character limitations, so I put it in the comment section that has no character limitations. Although I will take out that IP address and just tell you to put your own because it won't work if you do it my way. All right, cool. So here we go ahead and put in curl because that's what we're doing in this one. We want to stay organized. And we've got this terminal behind us here. You can see I have netcat listener listening right now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that command. Come over here, stop that listener, come over here because we are starting off fresh. All right, and I'll open up a new one here because we want to stay organized. Rename INSI. That's our netcat listener. I like to use our LWrap, which is superior to netcat. It's a more stable shell. If you want to use netcat, go ahead and just use netcat. You don't have to include the or LWrap, right? So next, gonna go ahead and hit this, and bang, we are ready to go. Or not. We're ready to go. Or not. Do I have my cap locks on? Just okay. Give me a sec. All right, took a few attempts. I have my cat blocks on. All right, so anyways, once you got that listener going, you come here and we're going to send that curl request. All right, enter, initiate, check curl request. You've got access ls. We got a juicy config file there. Let's go ahead and cat that as you would for any config file. So you usually have passwords. And what do you know? We got a password. Awesome. We'll go ahead and take that password, copy that, come over here, su root, let's check it, fire. And who am I? I'm root. Great. All right. So there's a few things you're gonna want to do. You're gonna want to go ahead and cd into, or you could just cat it. So cat /root root.txt. And I'm not going to do that here because that violates hack the box policy. But you can do it yourself and you'll get it. And there's the next one, which is home. Actually, I have to cd into that one, cd/home, because I forget who the user is in this one. HTB. All right, easy. cd HTB ls cat user.txt, which I will not do again, but that's how you do it. You got the commands in the description, comment section. Hope you enjoyed this video, one of many coming your way. All right, that's one more checked off my list. I've got a lot more to go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Danny out.